Oh, darling.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
Peach, it's you. É você, olha lá, ó. You're not gonna react? Oh.
Gary! Bitch, yeah.
Mila! The freaking counter! Augustus, calm down. Oh!
But she's happy for me. She's happy for me.
No. No. Go put it away.
Oh my god.
Oh.
2.
Nothing there. What's wrong?
Let's sing a song, yeah?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
This one is very, very sweet.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah! Ó a cara na parede, ó. Eu avisei. Excuse me?
shut up.
Come on.
Hey! 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 Весь мене чоловік паук. Excuse me? Oh, shit. Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. How dare you?
What is wrong with that cat?
Hey!
You are a fox. Funky.
Dude, are you okay?
Oh no.
Stop! Hey, Spacey?
Oh my god.
So let me in, open your house. I'm just a cat, let me concur.
It's been fixed temporarily, but it's not a permanent solution. Oh.
Can I have my noodles? You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Get the cat.
Gigi! Aw, you got scared. Такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас. so sweet.
Ouch. Ouch. I'll give you my address.
Finally found something to keep my cat off the counter.
Come on.
You want me to turn your game back on? Okay.
You can hear me. Oh my god! Ow.
Daddy.
Really just all about nourishing my body and eating.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Ow! Ow, you motherfucker! Блять. Ow. Sit.
There's nothing there. What's wrong?
Кошка нападала на
Oh no!